I recently got this chicken coop with an attached run, and it's honestly going to be perfect for my backyard setup. The size is just right. It's 105 inches long, 43 inches wide, and 44.5 inches tall. So it gives my chickens plenty of space to move around without taking up too much room in the yard. The attached run keeps them safe from predators, like my neighbor's dog, while still letting them enjoy the fresh air and sunshine. It is really sturdy and well built, and I feel like cleaning it is going to be super easy too. The nesting boxes are at the perfect height for collecting eggs without any hassle. If you've been searching for a coop that's secure, well made, and the perfect size for a few backyard hens, I definitely recommend this one. It's been such a great addition to my little homestead, and my chickens are absolutely loving it.